How to merge two or more columns in Excel. In this video, I am going to merge the names into one column by using a formula. Let's start. Just type equals concat. Open parenthesis. Click the column you want to merge. It's B3 under the last name tab, comma, quotation mark. Press spacebar. Another comma. Click C3 for the first name. Comma. Quotation mark. Spacebar. Quotation mark. Comma. Click D3 for the middle initial column. And lastly close parenthesis. If you want to only merge two columns, just use the same formula on the screen by including B3 and C3 only.